So we're gonna cook the all-in-one pot for them, yeah. So we have yam, cocoa, dasheen, you know the whole works. I don't know, so we have a coconut. So it's like a plot without meat. Alright, so it's a meatless plot we are cook for them. And they will be cooking for us as well. So I'm excited to try their food, and I'm really excited to see their reaction in trying our food. Yeah? So we're out here, the whole team out here, same way, we're up on the boat. Watch it turtle, watch it turtle! Yeah. Yeah, so the whole team out here on the boat, and we'll go back in a them place, cook up some food, so we'll just power do along the journey, and just watch how they come down. That one here is going to be nice, so we'll just stay tuned and watch how I go, and we out here without fear. That is it. Yes, sir. Take your time. Yeah guys, it's beautiful out here, you know, out on the river, still on the journey. I'm going to the Indian village, as you can see. Yeah man, I love them type of adventure here, my sister. I love the history. So I decided to just go back and bring some stuff for them and just do the right thing, you know. Yeah man. We'll cook up a storm for them and make them enjoy, and you know we are going in return enjoy for them food. You know, the experience, trust me, is great. We learned so much from the last trip that we decided to say, oh, you know what, I want a second visit with these people, but this time I'm going to cook some food. Yeah. So when we tell Benny and say, oh Benny, show them the vibes. You know, Benny show them the vibes, and Benny say, alright. Them say they want to try our food as well. So that make it even more exciting, you know? Just one little thing though, hopefully we will get something with fish, you know, or chicken or something like that, because you know anything we're gonna do the type of food where they're gonna cook, you know? And we know I'm not ready to eat no iguana or nothing like that yet. Ah boy, so you know it will be an adventure for us to, you know, see exactly what we will have. So we'll just stay tuned and know so we're okay without fear. Like nah man, that is it. Big up for yourself every time. Isa, take your time, no joke. Boat up ahead. Boat. Tell him to boat up ahead. Oi! Al paro. Three boat of tourists gone down, guys. Oh, hey. Big up. Big up, big up, big up, big up. Well, today a lot of people on the river, guys. A lot of tourists on the river today. Whole lot of tourists on the river today. We made it. Yes, we made it.
Big up.
Big up, big up. People, look at the size of the pot. Huge! Biggest pot I've ever seen in my life. Alright people, so right now we're going up to the village. Be a kiro. So that was their welcome dance, guys. Yes, people, check in. So today we are here with two beautiful ladies. I just met them. So I'm gonna ask, what's your name?
Thailand,
Carolina.
And where are you guys visiting from?
the U.S.
I actually live in Panama, 2 months in Panama, from the U.S.
Okay, so we were talking earlier, and they told us that they love Jamaica. So, how many times have you been to Jamaica?
I've been to Jamaica 3 times.
You?
I have actually never been to Jamaica.
Well, you should. You
Yet,
should definitely.
yet, yet.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, my research. Well, I do research, and my research is all in the Caribbean, so I plan on being
Okay.
in Jamaica at some point.
Okay, so what's the purpose of the visit here?
Well, one is tourism, and I'm also a researcher in anthropology. So I research young pregnancies in girls.
Okay.
And I came to see some of the families that I met before. In July, I'm coming back to connect with them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And you?
And I was also visiting for work to do a study in Panama, but today's my birthday and it's playtime,
Wow.
so we decided to come out here.
Playtime for her birthday.
Okay, so it's your birthday, so I'll have my team sing happy birthday to you.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Yes.
Come on, guys. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
We ready?
After three,
Timing.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Thailand.
Thailand. Happy birthday to you. Wow.
Feliz,
All right.
feliz en tu día. No,
Okay.
So what a beautiful day today is, and it's your birthday. You're celebrating it in nature, so you know. I'm glad that we met.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, so you guys should definitely check out my channel, Colaz Smith TV.
We will.
Yeah, and subscribe and share it with your friends.
Absolutely.
I
And
will.
the others have channel as well, so I'll link them so you can subscribe to their channel as
Thank you. Much
Right.
success.
well. Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
thank
Yes.
you.
All right. Thanks for
Thank
talking
you.
to us
Of
today.
course, thank you.
Yeah.
That
That
was
is
cool.
it.
What's your name?
All right, people. So we reach. I see them already cooking. Remember Janet? She's the one that did my tattoo.
Oh.
She understands a little bit of English. So will you stay with us so you can, translate for us? All right. So we're going in the kitchen. Let's go. Wow. So Janet, what's cooking?
What's cooking? Bueno, okay. This is fish.
Fish.
Yes.
Okay.
And that is plantain.
Plantain.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. And her name?
Her name is Kata Trojana Mata Tiempura. Chana. Chana.
Chana.
Mine.
So she's the village cook.
Mine. Yes.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay. So we use this for our cooking.
Yes, this is the cooking.
Yeah.
So the chicken, whatever.
Okay. So we brought water. We brought some juice. So for you guys.
Okay.
And this big pot right here. After we finish, it's yours.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can have it.
That's
This.
okay.
This.
Okay.
After we finish, you can have it.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So we also brought some stuff that we're gonna use. Everything we use, it's yours after we finish.
Okay.
Yeah. How do you call this? We call it coconut.
Yes.
Coconut.
Yes.
Do you have something that I could grater?
Okay. Do you need now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
One moment.
Yes.
I come back.
Yeah. So guys, this is the pot one we did see. I say, wow, this pot is huge. But I think we match up today. Yeah, so we're gonna get straight into it. The team there. We just gonna come together so we can move as fast as possible because the day is already gone, and as you can see, their pot is already on the fire. Okay. Luckily for us, our one pot dish we are cook, so maybe we can finish in time with them. So just stay tuned and watch how I go on. Some people say I don't know, so right now, I'll go ahead, get the coconut and them broke up. I don't know, so after I'm getting them broke up, I get them wash off, and then I get them great time. Man, me know a puppy, I go and get natural seeds, them cut up same way. So I use try coconut them, then we get them ox out. So guys, look at the plates, very lovely, all natural. And this is fish and plantain. So check in people, so right about now tea bag there, go and peel up the yam, same time. Climb over here so I ox out the coconut. Colaz chip in and I help him see me because you know time already gone, so we have to try and do things quick and fast, you know people.
That is it. Yes, sir.
Take your time.
When you go wicked.
No joke. Meanwhile the puppy dog yes sir. Go and cut up the onion. I want the peeps. Yeah. That is it in the people. So I go on as the same way. Some plant in a pot I go and fry. Some nice fish. Yeah. That is it in the people. So just stay tuned and watch what I go on. Yes my people, so I go on have some lovely things right here. So I go on. That is it now. This come like a little craft market. Yeah, man, they might have a different name for it over here, but in Jamaica we call it as a little craft market in the people. Man call handcraft thing them in the people. See they handmade them things. So may I say, man, that is it. Check in on so. That is it in the people. What's going on, peeps? That is it, man. Oh, man, so Benny, there's so I go on easy back same way. Yeah.
Really more. Nayeli.
That is it, my people.
Mi familia del pueblo. Yo vivía aquí yo.
¿Con qué tú te vas a quedar?
Ah, solo, pero yo vivía aquí. ¿Dónde puedo construir mi casa?
Norma,
Sí, en altura mejor para mí.
dile a dónde.
Si es zampado allá arriba solito, mejor para mí.
Cara, ¿cuánto tú?
Man, people see the coconut done. Wash off and thing, ox out, so you know, say, get them greater. Same way, climb and do that, you know, people. Don't know. Yeah, man, so some scallion is here, pop, I will deal with them right away. Some hot pepper in the people. People then scallion are fresh and nice, you know, peeps. Trust me, see how them look? Nice and green. So right away, set up the fireside enough people. And meanwhile, climb out there so I get the coconut great right now, you know, people. So that is it.
What? Cookie?
Yeah, coconut. Yeah. Coconut, I'm there to see me. I'm going to peel up.
That is it, you know.
And sound of all the
That's
fruit.
right.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Dice hermano. Dice la estúpido. Para ellos el 8 ya está listo.
Yes, people, so I'm gonna. This is it, you know, fish and fried plantain. Yeah, man, that is it, you know, peeps. So them look lovely. Yeah, man.
Yane. Esta nada más. Esta nada más, Diego Enrique. Esta nada más.
Same time people socks there. I'm gonna get the pumpkin. Peel up now. Pumpkin are nice people. Look at it. Yeah man, nice pumpkin listen up peeps.
Junto con de ellos.
Claro, usted come la de ellos y yo como la de usted.
Sí, hay el líder de ellos.
Acá.
Ese está haciendo.
Hey, friend.
Okay. Espérate.
The lunch is ready.
Lunch is ready.
Yes.
Okay.
You eat now or after? After. Okay. La nevera necotiante.
Ah, ya. Pero para el fuego, ¿sí?
Tía, ya.
Ya va. Yo le pregunto, ¿cuánto tiempo más de ellos pueden durar? ¿Cuánto tiempo más puede durar pues, esa cosa que hay? Pues? Si no, pues lo comen, se la fuerza. Una raya, pues, ajá, y aquí para el final. ¿Cuánto más o menos hay?
Se lo coman ya. It's not eat now. It's to the cold.
Okay, so we eat now.
Okay.
It's okay, yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Lunch is ready, guys. Lunch is ready.
Yeah. Do you want to take one?
So we eat and then resume our cooking.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Enjoy.
Thank you. How do you call it?
Okay.
What's the meal? What's the name of the meal?
This name is
What?
peda. My language
Baito.
is peda berrachida. Peda bame.
Baito.
Okay.
Dice,
Baito.
igual dice en language.
So this
Baito.
is fish.
¿Ya?
Fish catch from the river
¿Por qué canchile?
and
Bueno, Tachirán después.
fried
pues,
fresh
allá.
plantain.
Será otro momento. Bueno, acabó.
I
No
don't
te
know.
vayas tan lejos.
Lemon.
Okay?
Yeah, squeeze some lemon for me. I'm going out now. No, stop.
You guys, you nice.
Fish and fried plantain. So after we finish it, we continue cooking.
Everybody fish are bad people.
Salt down fried fish, yeah. Ball. Mm. What is the wicked? Come on.
Plenty fish. Good.
Fish are normally the first black. You know, squeeze the little lime pan it.
El otro man. Okay. Oh, this is so. Repeat.
Plate.
No problem.
Nice.
Okay.
Creative. Natural.
Oh. Good, good, good.
Yeah, yeah.
Frank, good, good, good. Fish planting. Oh. Pero good, Frank ahí. You know? Hello, my friend. Good. Captain, the boat.
He's not a fish lover, but that fried fish are catch me.
Yeah. No me tome foto, dice el hombre. What? Hola. Bienvenido a Panamá. Mucho busy. Oh, yeah. Panama, hey. Beautiful Panama. Visit, visit. Okay? Hello. Hello, Jamaica. Friend. Visit Panama in the village. Fish. Waterfall, river. Come here. Okay.
Neko corta, Neko.
Huh?
Neko, que corta.
Neko boko.
Baby, muta Neko terus ya wah.
Sama.
Excellent.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. Okay. Excellent. Beautiful, hey. Sabroso. Excellent. Go, go.
Mi momento.
That is it, people. We're outside, you know?
Es el momento de la comida de venta.
History in the making. Yeah? First time cooking
El noche de típico
in a
en verdad.
indigenous Indian village.
Oh.
And trust me, great experience so far. Yeah, we just done eat some fish and fresh plantain. So just stay tuned until we put on our pot. We soon check in back. Yeah man, people, see it you know. Fireside active, you know. Yeah. Fireside ready. So right now we're just waiting for the coconut to finish greater so we can put on the juice, start knead up a flour and get the pot going. That is it. And we're out here again in this beautiful village of indigenous people, cooking for them. So as we reach them feed us, and now we are preparing food to feed them as well. Alright, so these are all of my natural season that we're going to be using. Onions, scallion, we got sweet pepper, we got hot pepper. Alright, so we got pumpkin over here. Yeah, we're using our one pot. We got flour. We have cocoa, yam. Yes, so just stay tuned and watch what I go on. Yeah, people, so right now we're just dicing the pumpkin. So we basically just wash them and dice them. Generally, I come in with firewood.
Bueno, aquí normalmente si vienes en la mañana, ellos lo que hacen es nadar en el río, tener todo el espacio que ellos quieran, ¿no? Por ejemplo, como de aprender un poco sobre la cultura, ¿verdad? Cómo es el emberá. Uno, que la vida en verano, así, mira, ahorita dentro de un poco nosotros vamos a nuestras chicas van a descansar, ahora más tarde, cuando tenemos dormitorio, ellos salen igual. Vamos a ver que la familia. Se cuidan en el día, por
pero si lo olvidamos de nuestra esencia cristiana, quedamos en el olvido como estamos ahora mismo. Déjalo por eso, manera, eso no es eso. O sea, preparen los niños, inculquen de pequeños y no se olviden de lo que es el principio, que es la etnia, que es la raíz de nosotros. Vamos a permitir, eduquemos a nuestros niños para que no nos olviden de nuestras culturas. Porque nuestra cultura es la base de todo.
Trabajo, ponemos trabajo.
Al fin ya está.
¿Ah?
Al fin ya está.
Ay, mãe, gracias a Dios. Te le damos esa Ana y estuve en el aniversario. Hola. ¿Cómo llegar a Panamá? ¿Ok? Village India, Emperor. Mãe, quiero banana, pero bueno. Ahí están. Ya hace como... Pero una cubata, ¿cómo? Ley, tú, ley. Tratamos mucho nosotros. Malay, caramba,
Check in, peeps. So look at this. First time seeing this thing here. It look like the thing them we use and make plate out, you know. But I'm not sure if I eat, but it look like it. You know, people you're supposed to know me I talk, you know. Yeah, man, it look exactly like it, but I'm not sure if I eat still. If you understand what I'm saying, people. Yeah, man, see there? That is it, man. And people, so I get some water, pull up from the pipe. Yeah, man, that is it, my peeps.
Okay, in the village, you know.
Yeah.
Ganja.
I'm gonna go in now and strain it. So I go on, peeps. So I go on, peeps. That is it, man.
What?
Coconut?
Coconut?
Coconut.
Coconut? Okay. Coconut, yes. Okay.
You catch them a video to you, catch all them a look. Catch them a look and then something I didn't let you catch mostly.
Kitide mawaride anjinawa kokota inapunua barra hupunua akidato sao punuta. Tajembera manjinana neo diversidad.
people, that is it. So we're going to juice it one more time. I will just put on the pot right away and get the flour them knead up. Got the food peel already come and look. So we got the pumpkin, nicely diced. We got the veg and the seasoning. We got the cocoa and the yam. The only thing I roll and press. We get knead. So we're going to juice it again. Take it.
Sana peda wajanja sania. Waya sania.
Look at the kids.
Dove sanja barra uta one. Kita. Yo pensaba que ya lo íbamos.
Yeah man, people check in. So right now, we'll go ahead and get on a big pot. See it here? Yeah man, all over here so. Pot are big. Grande. Make sure say it's set good. Eh? Yeah man, carry coconut juice. So same time, we'll get him coconut milk. As soon as the milk go in, we'll start need flour. Coconut milk last in my pot. Squeeze it again and get in. Squeeze it again and get in. So people will go ahead and need flour now. So stay tuned and watch how I go on. Yes people, so we're gonna make the roll and press now. In Spanish, harina.
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 In
English.
India
flour.
Igual en India. Harina igual.
Harina. Okay, in English, flour.
Okay, flour.
Flour.
Okay.
In Colaz term, roll and press.
Okay. Okay.
Roll and press. Roll and press.
Okay.
Boss.
Boss.
Alright, so we get some salt. Alright, people. A salt this big, sir? You come and learn. You come. Come and look. You come.
Baby, aprende de ser teman-teman. Kita tanya. Kau kono pun aja ni. Kau kono grabar.
No yet. This
This way.
salt.
Salt.
Salt. Flour. We need.
Harina.
Harina. Yeah.
Harina.
Yeah. We need.
Data.
Yeah. See.
Man, tidak nih mau numpung antai puru biar kiru deh.
Yes. Harina. Sal.
Atau numpunu tanta cat.
Beki. Levadura.
Need. Yeah.
No?
Need. Oh yes. Oh yes. Give me one of them three there.
What is it? Tenemos.
Big, this is one there?
Yes,
No, no, a big one.
Más.
So guys, get the dumpling them knead up, you know? Quick roll and press.
Okay, now what?
Yeah.
Más agua.
She coming to look at what's going on. Yeah, you come.
Chico, ¿te gusta? Llévaselo. Mamaica, llévaselo.
When you finish, you cook this.
Sí. ¿Quiere matrimonio? Llévaselo.
Yati masada. Sí, con la bolsa, mamá. Ayuda con la bolsa.
So we go little at a time, little at a time. Always check it pot, cause the fire there ready now. So climb and get the food them cut up over there. So now I'm gonna check on the pot, see if the coconut juice I get hot. Cause remember I wood fire this. So can't waste no time. Alright. Bubbles now. Alright, from bubbles now you know say it's so ready. This we make dumplings. Dumpling, yeah. Dumpling, yeah.
Okay. Takidi. Setan nama rumu manggalar kata.
Yeah man people, so I go on I'm then cut up and thing now. I just go ahead now and cut up the cocoa same time in the people. That is it, you know. There's a things them there so same way cut up and I wait for going at the pot. Don't know. So there big pot up on fire.
Whoever comes to visit for the families, so they can buy books or whatever they need, you know. So, hermano. Yes. ¿Le contigo la nena? Mai. Ya buah. Arrano todo tuyo entonces, Yasmin. Yasmin is gonna cook for us. Vamos a hacer patacones con pescado, ¿eh? Ya buah, sí. Ahí va. Mai. So, he speaks Spanish fast.
That is it in the people. No? I say other people come here as well, come visit and you know, and buy them things here, man, peeps. Yeah man, that is it. I'll go on the peeps, that is it, man. No. Hey man, people, so I'll go on there. Taxi, I drop on something. I'll go on. Yeah man.
Yeah guys, we have one right there, so Rose. Go get a Panama tattoo. Rose. So they say wait 20 minutes, no water, so it will rub off.
Yeah man, that is it, my peeps.
Que bonita.
Yes, people, see down and look wonderful.
Tattoo?
Eh? Soon. Yeah. Well, socks you not done for no man. That not done for no. And tomorrow man, let's see if you so.
Hey guys, what are you cooking there, guys?
We're cooking a one-pot meal called plot.
Oh,
Plot.
like dumplings and all that?
Yeah, everything in one.
Beautiful.
Coconut
just
juice.
like in Bocas del Toro. In Bocas del Toro, we have a large group of African descendants who were brought
Yeah,
this
where
way.
you guys from?
We're from Panama, and this guy from Slovenia.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna spend the night here.
Oh, you're gonna spend the night here?
Yeah.
Nice, nice.
We're gonna hunt and all that, the deer and everything.
Great,
So,
great.
you're very welcome to stay.
Okay.
So nice, nice. You got the best chef beside you too, huh? This lady.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So,
entonces,
huh?
no va a llegar a darme un abrazo.
So when the food is finished, if you're still here, you can try.
And people, so always I me pot, so I go on there. Coconut juice I boil up in a people, see there? That is it, man. Yeah. Check in pan colors over here, so now you know people. Flour need up and thing. Ready?
We don't need no more now, last like this.
Mm-hmm.
We have one more pass, but we don't need it. We don't need the next pass.
Oh, Rico.
Yes, Benny.
One Benny.
Delicioso, delicioso.
Rico, delicioso,
Very
sabroso.
good.
La mejor comida de Jamaica, ¿verdad?
Yeah. That's it. Good.
Good. Good, Lord.
Yeah.
Alright, people, we are getting the pumpkin now.
Benny, lift the pot. Lift the pot. Lift the pot.
Eso es lo que yo quiero ver, ¿qué?
Alright, people, watch what we are going now. We are getting. Right now, we are getting the pumpkin. We want the pumpkin them for go on mash. Pumpkin, yeah. We want them for go on mash out in the pot. Safario. Sapayo.
Zapallo in Panama.
Sapayo, okay.
Jamaica pumpkin.
Pumpkin, yeah. And then, guys, we're going same time with all our natural seasons. So we got hot pepper, onion, scallion, sweet pepper. One thing we can't find in Panama is thyme. We don't got no time. So we get in all of this. Get the pot all the flavor. Yeah. Guys, I love that big spoon. It's just a pity we can't carry back to Jamaica.
Pumpkin in Jamaica.
Yeah. So we close back the pot now and let that go on cook. We're not ready for putting in the flour them yet. So we're not going to see when we do it. Benny, close.
Benny, chef.
That is it.
No sabe ni cocinar en la casa, va a cocinar.
Alright, so I'm going to wash off me and them now. Flour don't need. So we're ready for put in the roll and press. We check in back. We're going to circle the village again and see what we see. So stay tuned, we soon forward. So guys, we have a village sister blaze up a fire for you, you know? Yeah. Flour need already. I just forget in a pot, you know, quick roll and press. So our next fire go over here, so I don't know where them are going to put. Look like them are going to fry some more plantain. This is how I fan the fire. Wow, look there. Bad. Nice. Fire! One Benny.
Lo mejor.
Hello, how you doing?
Good, and you?
We're good, we're great.
Take a picture?
Sure, let's go, let's get it. Oh, listen to me there. Where big spoon? Let's get it.
Perfect. Muy bien, amigo. Muchas gracias.
You're welcome.
Muy bien. It's nice, eh? With some
Yeah,
concrete on there.
yeah.
Very nice.
You finished? You're good? Okay. You're welcome. So people, look what I go on in the pot here. Well bubbling, you know. So right now, I'll start make the roll and press and get them in. So you just stay tuned and watch how I go on. Yeah people, check in. So we are getting some salt in the pot. It's boiling great now. Alright. Alright, you know. I roll and press. Time to go in. Yeah. So meanwhile, I get in roll and press. I'll go ahead. Get these in. These are cocoa, yam. So we're gonna get them in. Rinse off and get in at the same time. Dumpling. Dumpling, yeah. Dumpling. Dumpling. Gongi, come here. You get one of them with yellow jug there. Are you Wally? Fire heat ready, no man. So people will make some flour, you know, roll and press quick and fast. You know, we're not wasting time. Chef Benny.
Chef Benny.
That is it. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Rico.
One Benny. Yeah, so we roll it and then we press. Okay, so you pick.
¿Puedo ayudar?
Yeah, roll, wash your hands and come. All hands on deck. Yeah, wash your hands and come. Right, guys, so she's gonna wash her hands and she's gonna help us make some dumpling.
Wow. Más. Ahí.
Roll. And then here, you press.
¿Sí?
Yeah.
Estoy aprendiendo.
You'll get it. And guys, look, nice, lovely ladies coming in with more firewood.
Me sale mejor con cuchillo más fácil. ¿Así? No?
No, look, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you mine. Come here.
No, Cookie.
Look, roll and press, so you get it.
Wow, no puedo.
Look, you get it. You get it. Roll and press.
Data, aprender, bueno.
Go.
Data, aprender. Venga, aprender.
Ajá.
Entendí.
Se data.
Data.
Se data. Se data, vengan a aprender.
Ah, data, vengan a aprender. Data.
Fire heat red. Come out of fire. Come out of the kitchen. Guys, this you call real wood fire. Look on it. This can cook all 3 hog. Come on. Story to her. So people, we're getting our indigenous friends involved, you know. And you let your hands dry and you come.
Ya tá bom, uma biara tu numa.
Ahorita, asistente.
One Benny.
One Benny.
Yeah, well done, Benny.
Let's see. Let me see.
Look.
Hey, let me show you. Look. Roll. Put in your hands. Roll. Look. Look.
Como si fuera una pelotita.
Form a ball. You're gonna form a ball. And then you press. Yeah, you press. And you get the dumpling. Let's see. Press. Here. Nice. Okay. You put in the pot now. Okay. Good job. Let's go. More.
Benny chef, send a dumpling.
Yeah, we're making dumpling. All in one. Yeah. All in one pot.
Dumpling nice.
See. Look. Get a store.
Dumpling.
Yeah, nice. Good, Benny. Good.
Benny chef.
Benny chef.
Chef Jamaica, dumpling.
Dumpling. All the way from Jamaica, you know. We're teaching the people of the indigenous village how to make dumpling.
Yes, dumpling.
Now we're almost done, guys. We're down to the last two, as you can see. That is it. Yeah. And we got a lot of camera persons in the house. Look over there. You know. So we're going on in our history today, you know. Colaz Smith TV, out here without fear. No joke. All right, guys. Thank you. Gracias. Yeah. Benny, big up yourself.
Benny, big up. Chef dumpling. Good look. Nice. Ooh.
Nice. Alright, so now guys we stir it. And then we just close the pot and leave it to cook. Step back for this. Make me see if you want to do. Give me away the puppy. Alright, Papi, bring him a seasoning for me. So guys, we have a season up a pot now, so you don't know. With Maggi, with salt. And then we can taste and see what them taste like, okay? Yeah. Among the people, this is what they use to make the plate. So yeah man, so she'll make some plate. Same time she'll make the plate them. We'll check in on that and show them what go on now. Benny and Colaz and popping out the side there. So I check in out there for short time. So I'm just stay tuned. I'm not sure go on. Get in some Maggi seasoning. We'll throw them out in another plate here. And just go get in alright. Get a turn around. Trust me, we village people them are gonna love this. Where is the ground guard? So people may go test to see if we need no more flavor in my pot, we need more salt or anything. If we're good, we just lock it.
Okay. Yeah, la pizza. Dame.
make him go and cook down, alright? So you just stay tuned and watch what go on.
Cuidado, cuidado, mami, cuidado, mami, cuidado. Agarra como que si fuera tu polla. Ya.
¿Cómo no te la reconocí o lo?
Viene llegando también.
Sí, ¿cómo te vaina?
Oh, beta, beta.
Hombre, está celoso, pues está
Sí,
celoso.
no sé qué pasa ese man.
Le dieron un saco de está borracho.
Ah, ya la. Oh, yeah.
See?
Sí.
So now I'm officially a villager,
Oh,
okay?
yeah, chit.
Okay. See. You gotta be one with the villagers, so today I'm rocking their outfit. Yeah, that is it, you know? So let's go. So my people.
Cacique Colaz.
Yes,
Yeah.
Colaz.
You like it? Nice.
Very good.
Very good. Yeah. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Allá en la entrada, ¿ves?
Yeah.
Eso es todo lo que es mecume,
Mm.
todas las malas. Ah!
Hey, I'm fitting in, you know? You like it? They like it. Nice.
Camponiano.
How's it?
Camponiano.
How's it?
Need to make a tattoo
How?
on your body.
Get tattoo?
Tattoo, all the tattoos.
Yeah, I got one already.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, people, so no. All me have to do, I just move in, you know? Yeah, and I'm officially one of them. So come on, let's go. I'm loving it. So I can rock it like this for the remainder of the day. This is how I dress, you know? That is it.
It's very nice.
It's very nice.
Yes.
Okay.
I like.
I fit. I could be one of you guys. Okay, so we get a picture.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Long way. Screech up on the deer when I see him, you know. And I just and spear him. Yeah, man, that is it. So today I just feel like one of the villagers. So, you know, if I feel like one of them, I gotta dress like them. So this is it. This is my outfit. See? Yeah, that is it. So we're out here without fear. One Colaz Smith TV. Isa! Take your time, no joke. So just stay tuned and watch what we're going. We're checking back on the pot right now. It should be close to finish, if not finished. So we'll soon check in back. Yeah, man. So just stay tuned. We're going to share and let our villagers, friends, sample the food. Soon check in back. Yeah, my people, check in. So right now we're going to share the food. Yeah, people, so sharing time and then make the villagers them sample the food and see if they like it. Okay, that is it. We're outside, you know, cooking for the indigenous Indians out here without fear.
That is it.
Dumpling.
Dumpling. Wow. Gracias, dumpling. Thank you.
Welcome.
Muy bueno.
So you try and tell us if it's tasting good.
Good. Harina. Quita harina.
Come guys, she's going to show you how to
¿Dónde está el dumpling?
Mira que viene acomodándose la... Oye.
Oye,
Dumpling.
dumpling.
Dumpling for you guys, dumpling, ladies. She moves that way,
Dumpling cuando quiero. Dumpling para Janet.
Dumpling?
Janet.
Yeah, man, yeah. Okay.
Yo quiero comer la harina.
Alright, sky one for Janet up here, so. So guys, this is their first time actually eating dumpling.
Dumpling.
Yes.
¿Quiere usar un dron ahora más tarde o mañana?
Puede usar.
Ese es Caribbean flavors. That's good.
Caribbean, yeah. Jamaica.
Jamaican
Leave
flavor.
one.
Esto,
Janet,
quería decir.
eso.
¿Te quiere usar un dron? ¿Hay que preguntarle eso a Iván o a quién?
No hay problema por eso. Si quieres lo puedes tirar ahorita.
Del río para acá arriba.
Sí. Ya no hay más nada. ¿Cómo quieres pasar allí? Allá está. Allá.
Sí, ahí yo vi. Ajá. Oh my goodness. No, yo no traje, pero yo vi uno ahí. Oh my goodness. This is for me too. May I try?
¿Le gustó el dumpling?
Claro.
Agua, también.
Thank you.
Mamma mía. Hey, esto está bueno, lo comí.
Está bueno. ¿Viste?
Guata.
Hey,
Thank you.
is this an aphrodisiac? Because it tastes like,
Yes,
isn't it?
yeah.
Oh my
Jamaica,
goodness, man.
yeah.
And you're gonna, oh man, and I'm a single man. How can you do this to me?
Como mañana me veo, agua, leca.
¿Eso no bebé?
Ahora nosotros las mujeres nada más.
Él se está riendo. I told them that this is an aphrodisiac kind of soup from Caribbean side, and you say, oh, who's gonna? You're gonna see all of us like, no, because you know tonight.
That is it, man. German people, that is it.
Flores, si se cae en la casa, tú tienes la culpa.
Respeten que ahí hay visitantes y por eso ellos no van a soportar esa presión.
Después te va a quedar sin gente.
Voy a ver.
That is it, you know, peeps. Enjoying it?
Yeah, it's really good. Thank you.
That is it.
Dígale, delicia. Bueno, ¿eh? A la tarde estoy comiendo ya. Tiene maíz.
Todos salen con barriga.
Ay,
Ellos salen comiendo así nomás.
mami, dame plátano maduro con un té de limón. Plátano maduro como...
That is it, you know, people, so just stay tuned and watch what go on. Yes, people, so we are go on a different side, you know. Check it by some people over here, so whoa. That is it, you know, people.
Okay. Thank you. Noche. Thank you. What's your name?
Coconut dumpling.
Coconut dumpling.
Yeah.
Oh, very good.
Yeah, very good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bien, bien.
Okay, that's it, peeps. Yeah, man, so stay tuned for Chuagon.
¡Viene! ¡Viene! ¡Viene!
Mi hamaca, yo no voy a poner una hamaca aquí, yo acá la espero.
Viva tu norma.
Por ahí un caballo en la noche.
Soy yo en la hamaca.
El mono que siempre anda gritando, mira que de aquí.
No se asusten, que soy yo.
Después que...
Usted ahorita lo juro en Colombia. Para que mantenga a todos los niños con esto.
¡Ver que pavo real! ¡Bien!
The man people so agora. Papi, they are going to feed one now.
Food you would nice in the environment already. Man, please, I'm going to my dumpling. Me and over this one. Walk up. Because it's hot. I'm going to cut them up. Make them cool, you know? That is it.
Yeah, it's going to be very light. She has an old staff
María, ya tu papá.
Any food nice?
Oh, food nice.
Yeah.
One penny. Dumpling.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Está bueno. Muchas gracias. Gracias.
Ya, pero yo cociné todo esto gracias a ustedes, gracias.
That is it to the people. So I got one pot of coconut dumpling finish.
Dos.
Yeah, man.
Grandmother. Mamá, me comida de usted, pucha para usted. Grandmother. Allá. Okay.
Yeah, I agree with them.
Más. No hay cuchara. No importa, allá. My house. Yes. Mamá va a hacer la torrereta. Ay, necesita dar una puma.
That is it, my peeps.
Mira, se caen ahí, muchachos.
Oh, gracias. Gracias.
That is it, my
¿Van a
people.
llevar la bandeja? De una vez. De una vez, ¿verdad? Ajá, tata. Tata, bandeja. Aquí está. Muchas gracias.
And people. So no stay tuned now watch what go on.
People, me are going off the moon, I know, you know.
Mira, ¿puedo escuchar la comanda? ¿Ah? Yo a la mitad nomás de comer.
Nice people. I move my family. I was coming to live in this village. So it's wicked bad. That is it, you know. Outside, fully village boy today. Yeah. That's me. That is it, man. We're active.
Yeah, people. The Colaz Community people, they eat at first, they might dumpling.
No es cubierto. Estoy comiendo a manos. Muy rico, delicioso. Delicioso dumpling. ¿Dumpling?
Yes.
Yeah, bueno. Muy rico. Delicioso. Very good.
Same time climb over so I go in a few months.
Make sure everybody get there and know say. You're checking out for me.
Muy rico.
Is your daughter?
Yes, Corona.
What's her name?
There's some people, some they are going to the coconut dumpling. Don't see all of the villagers them going after them on them. Enjoy it. Don't know. So I'm going to have one flower for made. Belongs to the owner right there, Jasmine. Her mom right there, see me enjoy the coconut dumpling as well. Yeah man, so it's a great look out there in Panama. People. Oh yeah, wicked.
Kain aquí na mo dumpling? Dumpling!
Yeah man, my people, that is it, you know. When you see how the day come down, we're out here and we come. We match up some food. We guess loved it, you know. Our nice villagers friend, they loved it. Alright, so we're still there. Just go and chill, you know. A little more from now. We're gonna be going into the river. My friend, big up.
Thank you.
Yeah. So we're gonna be going into the river. So if you don't like the adventure, make sure you leave a whole heap of likes. Yeah? And big up to the whole indigenous community right now. So we still got some more things going on up here. Beautiful. That is it. Rich culture, you know. And we just soak in as much as we can. Alright. And guys, I'm not lie. I like the outfit bad. You see me? That is it, man. One Colaz Smith TV and we're out here without fear. So you know if you deal with the thing, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure so you turn on all on the bell. So every video I drop, you get it. We out here without fear. Yes, sir.